Realme launched its first Android tablet back in September last year named the Realme Pad, and later this year we got yet another budget tablet by the company called the Realme Pad Mini. So far, both of its tablets were targeted towards the budget segment, but soon the company is launching its first high-end Android tablet named the Realme Pad X. It is launching in the Chinese market first, and the launch is happening on the 26th of May, which means in just a couple of days. Realme has already revealed some key specifications of this tablet, so in this video let us talk about all of those. Design wise, as you can see, the tablet looks clean from the back except for that green color option which has a two-tone look and black colored frame. Like the Realme Pad, this one has a metal build as well. There is a single camera on the back with no LED flash. The power button is on the top, whereas the volume rockers are on the side. One of the official images also shows the stylus and a cover, but definitely they will have to be bought separately. Coming to the specifications, the Realme Pad X is powered by the Snapdragon 870. This is the same chipset that powers the Oppo Pad. There is a large 11-inch display on the front with a resolution of 2360 into 1640 pixels. Since this is a high-end tablet from Realme, we are definitely expecting a high refresh rate display. There is hardware level blue light filter and 84.6% screen to body ratio. There are quad speakers with Dolby Atmos, but no 3.5mm headphone jack. The battery size is 8340 mAh, and there is also support for 33-watt fast charging. Well, we do not know the pricing yet, but it is said that the starting price of Realme Pad X in China will be around 2000 yuan or around $300 US. If that happens, then this will be the tablet with the best performance in its price segment. Currently, we have the Lenovo Legion Y700 tablet with Snapdragon 870 priced at 2200 yuan, whereas the Oppo Pad priced at 2300 yuan. There is also the Xiaomi Pad 5 Pro and the Vivo Pad, both with Snapdragon 870, and they are even more expensive, starting at 2500 yuan. We are also expecting the Realme Pad X to launch in other markets outside of China, such as India. If it happens, then expect the price to be somewhere around 25 to 30,000 rupees. And well, that is pretty much all about this video. As always, I'll catch you in the next one.